Hey kids, let us learn how many seasons are there.
There are 4 seasons. Let us learn about them. Spring season. Spring, also known as springtime, is one of the 4 temperate seasons, succeeding winter and preceding summer. It is also known as the season of renewal because flowers blossom in this season. Summer season. Summer is the hottest of the 4 temperate seasons, falling after spring and before autumn. The sun shines brightly in this season. Autumn season. Autumn is also known as fall because in this season leaves fall from trees. Autumn generally marks the transition from summer to winter. Winter season. Winter is the coldest season of the year. It occurs after autumn and before spring in each year. We wear woolen clothes in winter to stay warm. Hope you have learned the seasons well. Thank you.